Hello everyone, it's Ryan here. Welcome back to the channel. It is July 26, 2024. Okay. Yeah, Jasper's on fire. It's crazy. One second here. Okay, I'm back. Okay. Alright, here we go.
Number one vendor when it comes to looking at automation opportunities.
Why ads all the
When
time?
I was hired here, I was challenged with.
Alright, here we go. There's Venables.
Inside Venables Valley in the Fraser Canyon, this is what's left behind.
My bad. Right, so that's the road going up to Venables Valley. See that this is there's the mountains, so that's where the fires can't. Anyway, I'll continue with the video here.
Inside.
That's crazy, guys. All the trees there. This is driving up the road, and all the trees there are all just gone. I don't know about that car that's
Venables Valley in the Fraser Canyon. This is what's left behind.
This is driving along the main road through Venables Valley, called Venables Valley Road, and it's just it's known as Sharonagdi Village, and I'm going to continue the video here.
Wildfire roared through last week.
We lost homes. There was a lot of destruction.
The community was evacuated last Wednesday when two fires merged into one and exploded inside.
So the lake right there, you're looking at right there, that's Venables Lake. It's one of the larger lakes in the valley there, and you can see the fire. If you look towards the west there, if you're on Venables Valley Road there, if you look towards the west, you see those mountains. And that's where the fire started to come down the hillside there. Yeah, so this is Venables Lake, and there's the fire right there. So there's the hills right there. Look towards the west. It's Venables Lake, and then there's the mountains. Yeah, it's heartbreaking. Alright, let's continue with the video, shall we?
Mark Greenberg has been back a few times under escort.
So his name is Mark Allen Greenberg, and I really appreciate him keeping everybody up to date. And I got plans to go up there too myself. I'm gonna do a video too around there, show you guys around what it looks like. The aftermath's gonna be just insane. I don't wanna scare people, but this is real. This is what's happening. These wildfires are just insane. Like I never seen like that before.
Anyway, continue. Community, what's gone and what's left.
It doesn't even look like it.
So this is the old video. I'll continue.
Was touched.
The first morning, things on his property.
Yeah, this is the first morning when you did the video. It looked okay.
24 hours later, a shed.
Here, yeah, see the shed full of his stuff is.
Full of equipment and heavy machinery was destroyed.
Yeah. Oh man.
It was, just another inferno the following afternoon and evening, and like Wildfire, those guys, BC Wildfire Services, they're like phenomenal heroes.
Yeah, the BC Wildfire Service. I want to thank all you BC Wildfire Service for the incredible work you guys been doing up there, up in Venables Valley. Right now I'm in Kelowna. I can't even get up to Venables Valley until it's safe. I just contacted Jim McComb. He works on this farm up on 45 acre. He has a 45 acre field. I can show you guys when I go up there. I can show you guys his farm if you want. Pretty nice farm. He grows a lot of crops. He grows his own raspberries, artichokes, sunchokes. Oh my God, he grows them. Well, they don't eat garlic up there, but he just grows it to sell it to other people, which is nice. Strawberries. Oh man, you name it. It's almost like going to it's almost going to like a farmer's market up there. Anyway, so 4 of his cabins. He has cabins up there. Some of them are gone. I'm gonna have to go up there myself and have a give you guys a tour if you guys want. Let me guys know in the comments if you want me to do that. Here it is.
Greenberg lives in Saranagati village, an off-grid
Yeah, it's an off-grid community. It's just beautiful up
Hare
there.
Krishna community. He says roughly 75 people live there year-round, but up to 1,500 can visit through the summer for
Oh, let me rewind that a little bit.
75 people
Sorry.
live there year-round, but up to 1,500 can
Show you. There's, see this Venables Valley. This is how beautiful it is. It's supposed to be like that, not
visit
charged.
through the summer for
Man.
festivals.
You do everything yourself. We build our own roads. We build our own water infrastructure. We build our own energy systems. So, we're a hardy bunch, right?
The Shetland Creek fire
Look at that, guys. All the burnt trees. This is why nobody can go up there right now, because all these burnt trees. If you start driving on the road up there, and if you drive in one of those side roads off of that main road, one of these trees could fall. Like, especially if we get a big windstorm. Now the fire is pretty much out. If you get a big windstorm, the trees will just fall right on top of Sim's car, and then what? How much for insurance? Right, if a burnt tree of one of these trees falls on top of your car, because all these trees are gonna fall over. Like,
consumed 20 structures, including homes, cabins, and outbuildings, plus
oh, okay. Let's go back to that. Sorry
the
about that.
Shetland Creek fire consumed 20 structures, including homes, cabins, and outbuildings, plus a snowplow and other pieces of equipment used to survive the winter. The community is now fundraising through the Saranagati Temple website to replace what's been lost.
Yeah, so I can give you guys the link to that, to donate to the Sharanagati Temple. Let's go to Sharanagati Temple. Let me get that off. SharanagatiTemple.com/donate. Please donate to Sharanagati Village. I'm going to be going up there myself and helping out. Yeah, it's just, I've been up there myself, and I never ever seen anything like that bad. I've seen wildfires there, but I never seen anything like it would destroy the whole community. Like, I mean, I'm glad some buildings are still there, they're still intact. I talked to the same guy. I was telling with you guys. Been talking to Jim McComb. He's works on the farm up there, and he says most of the buildings are still there. Let's just thank goodness for that. Thank goodness for the school is still there. I can't believe the school is still standing. I'm gonna have to go up there and show you more, guys. What's like still there? I'm gonna have to show you this. I'll have to show you the school, guys. It's gonna be very shocking. That school I went to years ago. It's still there. I can't not believe that. These firefighters, BC Wildfire Service, they're amazing. You gotta think that about these guys. They're just tireless day and night trying to stop this thing, trying to make it so it doesn't burn else down there. So I want to say thanks to the BC Wildfire Service, doing the best you can. I'm gonna go up there soon when it's safe enough to go up there. I will go up there. I'm gonna help out. I'm gonna help all one of the devotees up there. Just Hare Krishna. Thank you, Krishna, for, just for, I don't know what to say. I don't know what words I have to say. I don't know. I just appreciate the BC Wildfire Service. Without these guys, everything there would have been gone. All the buildings there would have been gone. I'm glad the school is still there. I'm glad that Jim McComb and Helen Monty has a place to go back. And I'm going to probably be staying with them. Now, I don't know about the water quality up there. That's it. It's going to be another thing, but hopefully that will, the whole community is going to be, back to normal soon. Okay, let's keep going.
It takes a village to raise a child. Well, it takes a village to raise a village. So,
Yeah.
We'll build back.
Yeah.
While Venables Valley residents wait.
That's Ashcroft in the background. Ashcroft is what was that there? So Ashcroft is just not too far from Venables Valley. So if you drive north from Venables, if you drive north from Highway 1 from Venables Valley, on Highway 1, you just turn right onto Cornwall Road, and then Ashcroft's base is smaller base.
Home here, the village of Ashcroft, just to the north, still under evacuation.
Yeah, see, Ashcroft's fine. The village of Ashcroft is fine. It's just Venables Valley.
Alert.
Keep
And there's
going.
been a major shift in the weather. Temperatures around 20 degrees, and there has been some rain, but the Shetland Creek wildfire is still burning out of control.
That's terrible.
In Ashcroft, Alyssa Tebow, Global News.
Yeah, the Shetland Creek wildfire is a stubborn fire. It doesn't want to... But you know what? I think the fire is pretty much out now, guys. I think the fire is You can see a lot of land there is everything's scorched, so I don't think the fire is going to burn much now there. Because everything's pretty much scorched now. I don't think the fire is going to burn much there now. I think the fire's going pretty much out. I think the fire is just burning just kind of away from Venables Valley. I think it's burnt pretty much the whole valley. So I think that the fire is pretty much done there now. I think that the fire's not going to burn much. I mean, if it does warm back up again, I think the firefighters have got it. I think the firefighters got the fire under control there. I mean, my heart goes out to everybody up there. Yes, I am definitely going to go up there, and how about first, before I do that, I am going to do a video to show you guys around what it actually looks like now. All my other videos I've done up there, that's before the fire, so I'm glad to have videos of that. But now when I go up there, guys gonna be like, what the heck? I'll show you guys the stuff that has survived. I'll show you guys the stuff that has been destroyed. But I'm gonna do it's gonna be. I think the title of my video is gonna be called "The Aftermath of the Shetland Creek Wildfire in Shetland Village." It's gonna be insane. Just for me doing a video. And then I'm hoping I can get white. Hoping I get internet. Hoping the internet's gonna work up there. But if the internet doesn't work up there, then I can just wait until they get the service, and then I can the Wi-Fi service, and I can upload after that. But I think the Wi-Fi should be still working up there. I don't know what the situation is yet. But once everybody goes up there, it's okay to go up there. I'm gonna go up there and just help out. It's gonna be insane. I don't know where to start right now. I don't know where to start. Sorry about that. Stop it, would you? My phone is very, I don't know what's wrong with this phone I got, but yeah, it's unfortunate. So I have a YouTube channel as well. I'll show you. This is right here. I'll show you some video. This is okay, here's my YouTube channel. There it is. So this is Shetland Village. I have a YouTube channel. Welcome to Shetland Village YouTube channel. This is their YouTube channel. Well, I actually create it myself. It's actually pretty cool. So there's this. Look at this, 124 views in a year ago. Look at this, guys. A year ago, I made this video, and look at this. Look at this. Has not been stored well. Look at that. That's insane. Look at this. This has not. Look how beautiful it is. There's no been more wildfire there. It's insane. It's about a year ago, and I don't know if that dock that's on the lake there, that the foil you're looking at there. I don't know if that's still there. That might be gone too. That on Meadows Lake there. That might be that. It's not drifting pulp. Basically, it's a plywood, but basically, you can go on and swing on that. You swing so you can jump in the lake. Now I don't know if that's gone or not. I don't know if that fire has consumed that, because it came down that mountain. I'm gonna use my little pen here. So it came. So the fire burnt down all this way. So there's Booming Farms right here. So it burnt. Yeah, it burnt Booming Farm. It burnt down part of Booming Farms, not all of it. His Bala Krishna's actually that's his name, and Hallelujah's home is still there. His cabins are gone. Yeah, so the fire burnt this way. Burnt up on that hill there. And yeah, I don't know. This might be that dock right there might be gone. I don't know. I'm gonna have to go up there myself and actually film, do a documentary, kind of show you guys. This is what I got on my channel here. Just very sad. I mean, yeah, it's an off-grid community. So if anybody is interested in living off-grid, I mean, not right now. I mean, it's gonna look horrible, but it's a great place. I mean, if you want to look back and see what it looks like before the wildfire, go ahead. Go check out my channel here, Shetland Village. Alright guys, I gotta end the video here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Shetland Village. Please donate to Sharanagati Temple. I appreciate that, guys. Please donate to them. This has been a horrifying experience with them. Alright guys, Hare Krishna, Hare Bol.